How to upload photos to iCloud and delete from iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can upload photos to iCloud and delete from your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to upload all the photos that you have on your iPhone to iCloud settings so that you can free up storage on your iOS or your iPhone itself. So first of all, for this, open the settings application, tap your Apple ID profile from the top of the screen, then just go to iCloud. Now you can see photos backup is currently turned off, so you want to make sure to turn on backup. Now iCloud is going to provide you 5 gigabytes of free storage by default. So if your photos excludes 5 gigabytes, you'd have to purchase, or maybe you will not be able to back it up. So make sure that your photos are not beyond 5 gigabytes, and also contacts, emails, those things also fill up your iCloud storage. So when you turn this thing on, make sure all of it has been backed up and synced, and after that syncing has been done, now what you can do is you can just come back to your Photos app and you can go on about deleting the rest of the photos that you no longer need on your iOS device as well. And this way you should be able to actually back up photos to iCloud and delete from iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.